Here is my first fall haul for 2022. I will be unboxing from Aritzia. Okay, so I took everything out of the box, and this is how they package the clothes inside of the box. The first item is this cashmere sweater. I have been dying to find a cute cashmere lounge set in black specifically, just something that I can wear a little more often and still look cute. It feels really soft. So I ordered this one in a medium because I wanted it to be more oversized and slouchy. So this is Luxe Cashmere Black Noir, size medium. It was $148. Body is 100% cashmere. The trim is 96% cashmere, 3% nylon, and 1% elastane. So the cashmere feels super soft, and I do like it in the medium because it's a little oversized. I'm kind of wondering if I feel like it's a little too oversized when you see me from the back. I might downsize to a small, but I do like the medium tucked in the front, and then it gives you the slouchy look. But if I was gonna wear this untucked, then I would definitely size down to a small. So the bodice is 100% cashmere, and that part feels really soft. When I do put this on around the collar and the sleeves, I do feel like a slight itchiness. It's very, very minimal, but I do notice it. I am wondering if that's gonna soften over time as I wear it, or if that's just going to be there because of some of the other material that's in it. I don't know. Maybe my skin's sensitive right now and it's nothing. For the second package, so here's a cute little pleated skirt called Olive Mini. It's 17-inch length in Black Noir. Size 2. I got this for $88. I thought this would be really cute with knee-high boots and then a nice cozy sweater on top. So my mood this season is darker colors, blacks, and then just focusing on silhouettes. This pleated skirt is so cute in black. It's definitely giving me like goth schoolgirl vibes in like a mature way. Styled with a sweater, an oversized sweatshirt. I think it's gonna be really cute. I'm definitely gonna be able to style this in a cute way that is classic too. So I definitely recommend this type of skirt in black. I got another pair of Wilfred Effortless trousers in size 2. I bought a pair in sort of like a taupe color in the spring, and they're super comfortable, wide-legged, slinky, but still tailored. So I love that it's like tight around the waist, fits nicely around the thigh and butt area. Around the leg, it's just flowy. This is a size 2 Wilfred. It's $148 in black. These Wilfred Effortless pants have such a nice fit to it. Feels like it's form-fitting where you want it, and then loose where you want it to be when you want to have like more of a casual, cool, laid-back look. I think these are just like a staple to have, at least in the black. I think this is definitely going to be a go-to this fall and winter when kind of just want to be casual but then have to be professional. I got the regular length in these pants in a size 2, and it fits perfectly at the top of my foot. I'm 5'5", so part of me is wondering if I should have gone long just because I don't mind that slouchy look at the bottom. These I definitely can only wear flats with. I cannot wear heels with them, so that is sort of a drawback. I might exchange these for the long or buy the long so that I have an option if I want to wear heels, and then wear these if I want to wear just flat loafers. But otherwise the fit is perfect, so it's just going to be a matter of length and how you want to style these pants that'll determine whether you go for long or regular. All right, the next item I got is this trench coat. I've been trying to find a nice trench coat for the winter just to have something to throw on. I was looking at Burberry. I always wanted one. Currently they're like over $3,000, so I was like, no, now is not the time for that. I got this one. It was $348. This is an extra small. It's herringbone, camel, and white. It's called New Stedman, and it just feels really high quality. It has nice structure to it. It has kind of a chevron pattern all throughout. It has this Babaton expertly tailored sort of seal on it, which can be removed pretty easily. So the inside has this beautiful lining. It's a really nice beige tone, and I got this in an extra small. A bit of an oversized coat. It goes all the way past my knees, and it's gonna fit a lot looser everywhere else. I did get an extra small just because the reviews said it feels big. I like things to look oversized, but when it comes to my coat, I don't want it to drown me. So I decided just to get this in an extra small, and I still think it's going to look oversized on me. The coat is super chic. It fits in a nice oversized way, and it feels like you can just like throw it on whatever outfit you have, no matter how bulky it is. And if it's not bulky, then it just kind of drapes a little bit looser. One thing I noticed that I don't like is the pockets are not real pockets. That's kind of a bummer because I do like my coat pockets to work because I like to throw my keys in it, my phone in it when I'm running an errand. I don't know if that's a deal breaker for me or not. I'm still thinking about it. I love the fit of it and I love the color of it, like how soft the fabric is too. I don't know, I wish the pockets worked, so I'll think about if I can deal with that or not. The last items I have in here are just some tank tops that I bought just for layering. So this one is a square neckline in black. It's called Contour Square Neck, size small, $38. The next one I got is a high neckline in black. This is the Contour Muscle, also size small, $38. Both of these are very smooth material. It feels like it would even be slimming in a way. You don't get a lot of ribbing. You don't see the knit part so much, which I like. It's just gonna be seamless, so I can throw it under a blouse or wear it alone on warmer days. And then lastly, I got this cami in white. This is Wilfred Tiny, white, small, $30. So this is another just layering piece that I thought would be nice to have, either under a blouse or on its own. So all the tanks are so cute. They fit really nicely. You can see the two black ones are the exact same material, same color, just different fit. Both are staples to have, and they're the perfect fit. They're reasonably priced and the material is fantastic. Same with the cami. It's a little bit of a slinkier material, so I definitely recommend all three camisoles. I think they will come in handy. So that's everything from my Aritzia fall haul. As you can see, just with these pieces, you can make a ton of different outfits. Subscribe to see my next hauls, and I will see you next time.